Big mama.
Big mama. Whoa! Ah! Yeah!
The Slug Boys, yeah!
Oh!
The Tesla? Oh shit, what have I done?
I don't know, electricity went everywhere.
There's a fucking Tesla.
Tesla coil fucking thing.
Aye, I punched it and then fucking spewed it. Aye.
System's back online. Why did they shut the bastard door?
Is he dead? He's dead.
The fuck did he die in here? Put me his bed. Where's his bed?
I'm in the washing machine.
You cunt. Give me a wee wash, you'll be alright. And I know there's two places the battery
What the
can
fuck
go
is
in
this?
there and in here.
I've got a, there's like a fucking baby seal.
Hey, is that what killed him?
Oh fuck. Oh, that's disgusting looking. Right.
Anyway.
Aye, so that wee bastard fucking killed me.
I thought
It blew it up. I was going to chuck this into here.
that. You can put it in that, you can also put it in the net.
I know, but if we put it in there, we can go to a lower depth.
Right, why do we want to do that?
Why the fuck?
Better look.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
F1, F1, F1.
God, I'll be repair.
Whoa!
What was that?
The police clashed with something.
I wonder if he could have looted anything.
I think he's trying to loot us. No doing much. Wait a minute, let me grab him.
Oh fuck, he died.
See you later.
What?
Oh
fuck.
What's that fat bitch?
There's another thing down there with it.
That's why the babies can grab it. Ah, kill it! It's ugly, kill it! Go it.
Oh shit! Oh!
I don't know what I've done with that.
What is that? Oh, police! Police! It spotted me. I'll need to grab it. Oh no, it's out. Fuck, where did it go?
There's a baby in a jar. Grab that.
I think it's behind me. Big Mama's coming.
Big mama.
Big Mama. Oh! Ah! Yeah! I'm punching
Going
it.
through it.
I'm punching it.
Fucking punch it, Dave.
Aye, swim
Aye,
away.
run, you
Swim
fuck
away, you
cunt.
fucking
Don't
cow.
take the trolley.
Yeah.
Right,
Shit.
just need to leave. We'll go then. Oh, I seen that. Oh, no, mind. Don't need that.
Oh no. Oh, the sound of my voice. I think the police are here. Alright. Where? The fucking police are here. Lewis. Fuck's sake. Sorry, Lewis. I have to date you.
I watched fucking Lewis get flogged there, man.
Oh, the police are right on my ass now. I want to fuck again.
This is the thing that blew me up.
Nah, don't touch it. Nah, that's got a grenade at the end of it.
I know, I am sitting that there.
Oh shit.
Don't try to shoot me.
Oh, he's coming. Oh fuck. Ah! Oh fuck. Shit. Ow!
Where is he? Where are you?
I'm being jumped by two bullets.
Get a foot,
Oh. Shit.
How far are you, man? What the fuck was that? There's two of them. I've got his body. Let's fucking get out of here. Oh, we're full stars.
Oh, fuck, so
We're getting arrested, I think. Fuck's sake, man. Back in the nick.
I just got out of
fucking
prison.
trolley came and made him.
Sick. Why am I doing the fucking Aaron Yeager like salute?
Ooh, lava.
Lava?
Is that roba? I put him in a
What
trolley.
the fuck is that?
Ah, what is that?
There's another one. There's a Lilo and Stitch motherfucker over here. Hello?
Oh.
Where the fuck is everyone?
Oh, he's alright, I think. You want to hug me, man? I like him.
You like him?
A funny wee fella.
Did you punch it?
That's not good, that's not good, that's not good. Go back, go back, go back!
My wee pal's
Oh,
back.
that's
Fuck is
what
that you? He's took my trolley!
No!
He tried to fucking take the trolley, the wee bastard. I just punched him cause it.
Picked up this guy's head and he's just fucking nutting at me. He's biting me. Something's on me.
Punch him, Mo, punch him.
Fucking bastard.
There's another one.
Fucking get out of here.
What's that
What
bitch?
the fuck? You can't kill me! You can't kill me! Fucking get out! You can't beat me! I'm immortal! You leave me alone now? Right, all you have to do is emote at her and she'll like fucking stop. Yeah, yeah, charisma. Right, Lewis, the fuck? I was a fucking ocean lady, so I don't fucking give a fuck.
Fucking what's wrong with him?